Advanced Financial Accounting. Unit 5th, Accounting Standards for Financial Reporting by R. Lokeshwari. First BCom A, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Content: Meaning and scope of accounting, objectives, role of accounting standards, development of accounting standards in India, role of developing IFRS, difference between Indian AS and IFRS. Meaning of accounting. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money transaction and event. Objectives: systematic recording of transaction, ascertainment of result of above recorded transaction, ascertainment of the financial position of the business, providing information to the user for rational decision making and to know the solvency position. Role of accounting standards. There are financial instruments, disclosure, share-based payment, insurance contract, agriculture, and accounting and reporting by retirement benefit plans. Development accounting standards in India. In India, accounting standards are issued by ICAI ASB, which was formed on 21st April 1977 as ICAI premier accounting body in country, took itself the leadership role by constituting the ASB. In India, 32nd accounting standards are issued as IAS under NACAS, now known as NFRA. 31st accounting standards in force are useful. International Financial Accounting Standards IFRS. Roles of developing IFRS: setting the agenda, planning the project, developing and publishing the discussion paper. Procedure after and IFRS is issued, developing and publishing the standard. Difference between Indian AS and IFRS. Indian AS. Indian AS 1. Presentation of financial statements. IFRS. IAS 1. Presentation of financial statements. Indian AS. Indian AS 2. Inventories. IFRS. IAS 2. Inventories. Indian AS. Indian AS 7. Statement of cash flow. IFRS. IAS 7. Statement cash flow. Here, AS means accounting standards and IAS means international accounting standards. Thanks for the opportunity.